Ooh, welcome back to the channel, man. I got this Grand Caravan door. It says sliding door will not open. Guys, this is another one of those jam ones. That's jam. Y'all know, watch this video right here. I talk about that on the van. I'm having a hard time. Let me see something. Okay, this side is not jam. Yes, that side will not open, guys. It is jam. All right. Yeah, I already explained to y'all, and this is a handicap van, so they really need this door lock. They really need this door to work. Let me actuate the locks. Let's show y'all that the lock's not even. Lock, unlock. Y'all see that lever not even moving? Right there. That should be moving like this. All right, so this lock actuator is working. This one is not. Guys, if your door is jammed, will not open from the, I can't open it. Well, I tried it out there. Let me see if I can get it. Because the whole goal, yeah, it's jammed. This won't even, yeah, that's has a push rod going to it to go all the way back to the latch. Guys, the problem here is the lock actuator has seized and got the door stuck in the lock position. Okay, the only way to get your door open is you will have to gain access to that seizure, that lock actuator. Lock actuator is back here on the latch. It is built on the latch. You really will need to replace that. I want to think this thing gave you a warning at first, that weird noise. Watch this video right here where I talk about the importance of going ahead and getting that replaced when you start hearing that sound, because you will eventually end up like this. It will, that's a sign of it's going out. Okay, it's on the way out. So if it sees, you will be stuck like this. She cannot get this door open. Can't get it open from the outside or the inside. Now, there is a way to get, see, I'm glad this van is not really, you know, loaded with a bunch of stuff, because I can get in here. That other van, I can't even get inside, because I will have to pull this panel off, and I can physically, manually unjam that to get the door open. All right, in order to replace the actuator, you have to get the door open, right? Yes, that makes sense. So I'm gonna go through the procedure on how to unjam a lock sliding door. Now, this is a Grand Caravan. It applies to all of them, guys. All the Grand Caravans, all the town and countries, all the vans like that. This it's fairly, I mean, it's problematic. Okay, I'm not gonna say it's a known problem, but we got to get it fixed. We got to get this handicapped person back on the road, guys. So let me take a break. Let me go in the shop and try to sell this and get it. We're gonna get it done, guys. I'm gonna show y'all how to get in this door. All right, this one works. Nothing wrong with this one. Should you do both? All depends on your finances. All right, stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Ooh, well, guys, as you can see, that was fairly quick. Here's my part. Now, y'all see I had to make me some room because my body has to get right here. Remember, guys, the door will not open from the outside or the inside, so the door panel had to come off. All right, let's talk about the parts. Typical, man. Like I say, you can replace the complete latch assembly, which is 5 times the amount of this. There's nothing wrong with the latch, but there is, however, something wrong with the lock actuator. This little monster right here, it has seized. Okay, so we need to put in a new one. When it's going out, when you start hearing that, you may want to get this fixed, guys. And is this a DIY job? I talked about this in my last video. Maybe not, guys. There's a lot gotta go into taking this latch assembly out, this sliding door assembly off. Well, anyway, guys, I got some work to do, so let me get this door panel. I'm gonna see if how much footage I can get y'all. Let me talk about my motive, my goals. I can't unlock the door from inside and out. I can, however, manually go in here and unseize that latch, so I can then get my actuator latch to work, or unseize that lock actuator so I can get my latch assembly to work. and allow me to open the door. Once the door open, I can replace my part. All right, door panel got to come out. What do we need? All right, we actually need a trim stick. Okay, let's get this off first. All right, guys, let's go over a few things. Y'all see I got the panel off. Now, guys, the panel is just held on by push pins, so you're gonna have to get a good grab on it and try to pull backwards. Remember, we're fighting against force. The door is still closed. Now, you may bend this a little bit. If this is a customer vehicle, explain to them what you're up against and what may happen. Some people are so picky they would look at this and verify if it's still intact. I mean, there may be some kinks. Okay, nobody's perfect. Nobody's a pro. But once you get it off, now you're good to go as far as trying to, you still have to do some more work, get behind this panel, but the door panel is off. That's the #1 thing right there. All right, let's proceed. All right, guys, we got to start removing stuff. First thing to go is this window motor. All right, it's a T30. We got to get this window motor out of here, and then we got to remove the window regulator off of this panel. And then we got to remove all the 10mm bolts. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, this is where it gets complicated at. Okay, so let me explain something to you. This rod right here, this is what's attached to the actuator. Okay, so this rod going from here to here is attached to this. Because I can't move it, because remember the actuator is seized, so I'm gonna take this rod off from this point, and we got to dig down in here with our hand, because what we feeling for is this. Okay, now you might have to have some brute force. We got to get this unseized, and you can once you know, it just need a little manpower. You don't want to bend this rod. If you was in a dire emergency, you would go ahead and bend it, but we're not in that type of emergency. So let me get this off. This is pretty simple, guys. Let's take it off right here. All right, so I got the rod off. Now I'm about to go dumpster diving. I'm about to go diving. All right, so I can't get you good video footage, so that's why I want you to understand what I'm feeling for. Let me see how much I can get you. Your arm got to be able to get down in there all the way to the latch. The latch is right here. Attached to that latch is this. Matter of fact, I think I got a old one. Hold tight, guys. Let me show y'all something. Ah, bingo. I had an old one out here. This one I just replaced the complete latch assembly. Remember, they will come with a lock actuator on it. So let's pretend this is the car. This is on the car. All right, what we digging for, now this is the wrong side, okay, so but this example still have to work. The other end of that rod is attached right here. So what our fingers need to do is dig down in here. Here's what you're feeling for. This little orange thing, you're not going to be able to take that rod off. So what you need to do is just, and the rod is not connected up here anymore, so with brute, sheer, incredible Hulk force, you got to grab right here and go like that. Then this door will open because you're in the unlock position at that point. All right, guys, I'm sorry I can't get you. I don't have a hidden camera I can stick down here and show y'all exactly what I'm reaching for, but I can tell you, and this is a prime example. I'm digging down here to grab this. It's gonna have a rod on it, and just then I'll be able to open the door. All right, let me see. Here we go. I don't even think I can hold the camera and do this, but I've done it before. They're not that bad. You got to have a long. Okay, my arm is down now. I'm feeling for it, guys. I'm feeling for it. Where are you at, baby? Come to Papa. Come to Papa. I feel it. I got it, guys. I got it. Ooh, I feel it. All right. Here goes my brute, incredible Hulk strength. That didn't do it. Okay, this sucker is jammed. Hold tight. I felt it. All right, I felt something. Okay, let me see. This is electric door, so be careful when you open it. It's gonna try to open on its own. You may snag some. All right, here we go. Yes, got it, guys. Whew. Oh. All right. See, now I can get in and out. That's what I need to do on that work truck out there, but I can't get in it. So now it's just a matter of, oh my goodness, proceeding with replacing your part. Okay, remember, all of this have to come off anyway, but you can't get it out until you unlock or until you open the door, because the latch, this thing right here, is bolted to the freaking door. All right, you have to get to these 3 screws right here, guys. That's why you can't take that off with it still attached to the car. All right, so there's no need for me to continue this video. I'm gonna add some clip of me taking this out. Guys, this is not easy. This is not, I don't want to belittle anybody's confidence or belittle anybody's knowledge. You can do it, but you may end up breaking something, or go slow. Let me put it this way. I'm on commission, so I'm at a fast pace right now. So go extremely close or slow, especially if you're in your own garage. You only have time. You know, okay, you're not rushed for time. So just take this time to undo everything and take the whole assembly out, set it on the table like I'm gonna do in this video, and proceed to unbolting this and bolting in your new one in its place. Where's my new one? Right here. All right, guys, hope you got something out of this video. If not anything, you got how to open a jam sliding door. All right, guys, here we go. I got the whole assembly out of this freaking van. Guys, here's what we chasing right here. The lock actuator. Here's what we was reaching for. So technically, let me see if I can simulate this. When your arm go in here, you diving for this. Hold on. You got your arm behind the panel. You only got much room. You're diving for this. You really trying to pull on the opposite direction of this. I already got it on C's, so it's fairly easy. Now, once you get on C's, it's weird but how they do this. It's not seized anymore. So that one little joke that I gave it unseized it, but it will eventually seize again. But yeah, here's what you feeling for. See, your hands are likely gonna be closed like this, and you're gonna grab that and you're gonna give it the hopefully that's what happened. If not, you screw, because you will not be able to unlatch it. Here's the latch. That's what we're trying to unlatch from the sliding door to get the door to open. All right, so I got a lot of work to do, guys. Let me get this off. This is what I was chasing. Here's my new one. Fairly simple at this point, guys. It's held on by one freaking screw right there. All right, so I'm gonna I can't hold the camera. Yeah, right here. That's the only screw holding it, guys. I think that's a T15 or something like that. So unscrew that, and then the lock actuator popped out. So got that out the way. I don't know, guys. I think I expect to catch a lot of flack for not showing a lot of things, guys. I can't. I don't have good camera angles. Just know it's not a pretty sight. Yeah, there's the regulator. The regulator had to come off the glass, so I got the glass pried up. I don't know where my suction cups to hold the glass up. Oh, guys, let me explain this. These are, once, you got to be careful if you're going to reuse this, because I've never had any luck. Like this one right here is split. Thank goodness I got a new one. I started charging, or started putting this in my estimate, because I never can get them off whole. All right, they always break when I, and the reason you need it off, because this channel comes up through here. Okay, where's the channel? This channel right here. All right, it's a bolt right there. So you have to go in there, but I can't never get these off hold, so I always end up getting a new one. So guys, I can't, let me put this back together to get this lock actuator. This is my problem. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.